Hello, A&T mechanics. Today we're going to be talking about AC and DC motors, generators, and alternators, and what makes them tick. So, for both and all AC and DC alternators, generators, and motors, the design of the innards work on the same principle, but they will depend on the manufacturer. So, among all of them, you will have a rotating inner part called a rotor, and you will have a stationary steady outer part called the stator. The middle part can be the magnetic part as seen right here, or the inner part could be the wire part as shown right here. The part that's generating the magnetic field is called the field. The part that is getting the electricity generated into, we call the armature. In this case, the armature is the rotor on the inside. Here, the armature is the stator on the outside. Here is an example of an armature. The armature can either be of this type right here, or it could be the ring type as we see right here. Again, it all depends on the manufacturer. Now, the field can be either permanent magnets or it could be electromagnets. In this case, it looks like we might have a permanent magnet here and an electromagnet here. They're going to be winds of coil. The armature is also going to be winds of coil, so then get them mixed up. If it's generating the magnetic field, we call it the field. If it's not generating the field but getting the electricity, we call that the armature. In this case, the armature is on the inside on this type. The armature is on the outside on this type. But they work the same way. We are going to be cutting magnetic lines of flux in order to produce alternating current. Now, might be confusing, but DC current or DC generators actually produce, well, to be honest, all motors, regardless if they're AC or DC, are producing AC current under the hood. And the way we extract it determines whether it becomes DC or AC. And now, in a DC motor, we will have a commutator. Here's a commutator. And the commutator will only pick up on the top ripples of the waveform to produce DC current. If we're taking all of them via a slip ring, we will produce AC. Both types of motors are capable of producing DC if we attach a commutator. We transfer the electricity through brushes, and the brushes attach to the slip ring or to the alternator, or the commutator. By the way, these are bad examples because the inner part should be windy parts of coil, but you get the idea. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. I'll make a darn tootin' better video the next time. Thank you. And download my FAA Malcmind app. Look for Malcmind FAA app on Google search. Thank you. Malcmind FAA app.
Electric shackle, wires swept in a digital shackle. Springs crinkle, you asshole. Now fly, quit a sack, green and scry. Now fly, revolution of the mind. Flying on sword breaking clouds. Example out, we'll set it to ground. Everything